Hello, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I wanted to go over some new art supplies I just got in the mail. I recently ordered all of this, mainly from Blick, but a little bit from Amazon. I found that Blick art supplies had better deals and more variety on everything that I wanted. So I just wanted to show you today what I recently ordered. Got like a bunch of paper, and then I've been interested in charcoal recently, so that's the main part of this. First thing to show you is Blick's kind of cute. They send like a little thanks for ordering from us thing in the mail with their stuff, so that's nice. Let's get into this. So I guess the thing I'm most excited about opening is this pack of Conte à Paris assorted pencils. I wanted this because everybody says that Conte is the best for using charcoal, so let me give it an open. Oh, here's what the back says. Conte à Paris pencils are made in France. Actually, it's kind of neat. I heard that the brand started because in France, I want to say it's like in the 1700s. Yeah, since 1795. There was a problem where France couldn't get enough charcoal delivered to them from England because of like, I don't know if it was war or a trade agreement or something. But this guy was like, heck, I need some charcoal pencils, even though we can't get any like charcoal imported. So he decided to make his own brand, and they were better than everything else on the market, I guess, because they've stayed around since forever. Okay. So I wasn't actually sure when I was ordering this what the lead strength would be in each one. So I want to go over that for people who are gonna try and order these for themselves. So here we have a Pierre Noir 2B. I think this one's the charcoal one. Oh no, there's a Fusé charcoal 2B. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I took French up to grade 9, but that's about it. So this one's the charcoal. I think this one is probably a charcoal like color pencil combination. I think that's what Pierre Noir usually is. And then got a normal graphite pencil in 2B. This would be like a white chalk pencil. And then here we have Sanguine, which is like a red chalk, and then a sepia, which is the red chalk, or like a brown red chalk. Okay, I just wanted to move everything out of the way here. So just to go over my paper really quick so I can get this out of the way too. I got another set of tone tanned paper because I like the tone gray that I have, and I wanted to try a tone tan for like the warmer undertone. And then this was recommended on Proco's website, or on his YouTube videos, Proco's YouTube videos. It's the Bristol smooth surface paper. So I bought a few different paper types because I wanted to experiment with them for my charcoal drawings. And then these two are just both the same newsprint. What I really wanted with this is a cheaper paper that I could do any of my gesture studies or figure work on that didn't cost as much as some of these more expensive papers. So yeah, I'm gonna test out the Conte pencils on this tone tan paper. Okay, so I have this paper all set up for trying out these set of Conte à Paris pencils. Something I've noticed just now looking at them, the graphite pencil is kind of more what you would assume to be like a typical size pencil, and the other ones are a lot bigger. Also, I did some fun research and just found out that Pierre Noir is French for black stone, so I'm sure there's probably a little bit more to that. And then Fusé just means charcoal. Blanc, this one says blanc, which obviously is just white. Sanguine, which is cool, I never looked this up before, actually means blood in French to English, so that's kind of fun. And then sepia is just sepia, obviously. All right, so let's try these out. So that's kind of like a medium pressure, and this is a bit harder pressure. This is actually going down super nice. It's like really smooth. So let me see if I can get that to be like a pure black. Okay, so yeah, I really like this one so far. It's really nice, it goes down super smooth. As you can see, it's super dark and very matte. So I'm definitely gonna be practicing with this one quite a bit. All right, so the next one is their 2B Graphite. I'm assuming this would work just like a normal graphite pencil. This is feeling super smooth as it's going down on the paper. It's a really nice graphite pencil. Pretty cool. Sweet. Yeah, as you can see, it's definitely got more sheen to it. All right, let's try the charcoal. Definitely a rougher application, as I guess I would expect from a charcoal. It's really nice though. I guess I should have applied that a little bit more lightly. Let me see right here. Cool, so yeah, that's pretty good. And it does have a lot of dust coming off, which is fine, I guess. You can use it maybe to like smear around. So I don't know, it's a nice charcoal pencil. All right, let's try the chalk white. Oh man, this one's great. This is so much better than the crappy chalk white pencil I was using before. It's going down really smooth, kind of like a, I don't know, it's definitely got like a wax binder in it, because it can't be pure chalk, I think, because it's just really nice. Cool, I'm definitely gonna use these, especially that one. Here's the sanguine. This one's got more of the, like already I can tell it's got more of the chalk texture to it. It's like similar to the charcoal, where it's going down a little bit more rough. This one, like I'm actually really surprised at how smooth that one applies. Yeah, that one's super nice too. All right. Yeah, and you can see that one's, well, it's a little dusty, but I think that's just part of it. And it is like super nicely pigmented. It pops, it's really bright red. All right, and the last one's the sepia. This one is similar to the sanguine and charcoal for how it's laying down too, like a little bit more rough, but it's still like, I would say very smooth for being one of these like chalk-based pencils. And again, it's got a little bit of dust on the side, but okay, yeah, so I'm really glad I bought these. They're gonna be super great to use and practice with. I'm happy I got this set too, because it's kind of nice that you got something to start you out and experiment with. So yeah, that's the Conte Appareil 6-pack of assorted sketching pencils. I bought these ones on Blick, and I'm excited to make a lot more art with them. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Cretacolor Ecologic. This is a clutch pencil. So it's like a mechanical pencil, heavy duty. So here's the insert. It says Cretacolor Vienna Passion for Pencils, lead holder, ecologic wood for 5.6 millimeter lead. So that's way bigger than many other pencils that you will find on the market. I kind of had to search around for this. There's Cretacolor, and Koh-i-Noor is another brand. But I kind of just, I don't know. This one it looked cool. And I like that it's wood. This is actually surprisingly heavier than I thought it would be for being a wood pencil. And as you can see there, this one came with a lead. I don't know, I think it might be Graphite 2B. I'm gonna say 2B because it's going down pretty dark. So that's pretty neat. It's a really like chunky pencil. So I'm sure you could, if you're gonna draw big, you can get like a lot of variation with this. All right, so I got this. There's the lead that came inside of it. Oh, and it says, it is a 2B, so I was right, cool. What I actually bought with this is that I plan on doing a lot more charcoal drawings, and I wanted this to be able to hold giant charcoal leads, because I hate like whittling down charcoal. I got the Conte pencils because I wanted to experiment with them, but I was excited when I found this. So this should be like just a charcoal lead that goes inside this, and I don't have to really worry about sharpening my charcoal as much as I had to worry about it before when they would keep like breaking and stuff. Okay, so let's try one of these. So you just press the button on the end, and then the teeth come out to grab your lead stick. I'm gonna put this one back in here for safekeeping. Let's try this one out. Oh, this is nice. So it's definitely, I mean, here, it's definitely not as dark as like the charcoal. And this charcoal, they didn't come, I don't think they came in like any lead softness variation for this. Like I really had to search for charcoal for these. Like, I mean, you can get these kind of leads in like colors and like all the graphite strengths and stuff, but I was kind of disappointed because it was really hard to find charcoal lead for this chunky pencil. But, you know, this is really good. It'll be nice for practicing like gesture drawings. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna try it out and maybe I'll talk about it in a future video.